gonna take this single shot, single layer, and I'm gonna put it in the portafilter. Snap it in there. And what you need to do is take this guy right here, just place it in there. And then from there, you take one of these tablets and place it right in the center of it, like so. From here, just lock it in. Power your machine off if it's on. These two, the single and the double shot, and you hold the power button. And you see the cleaning light flashing. Now it's going through the cleaning process. Now, some people will actually put like a cup right here because some say that it leaks down here, but I've never actually had it leak right here. It kind of just does like a little backwash into the tray. Now that we started the cleaning process, this light will be blinking, and it's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes to keep going through the cleaning. After you do the descaling process and the cleaning process, and you power on your machine, you'll notice that the light is now off. Now the machine is ready to use, it's totally clean, and should be good for the next couple months.